What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jakala Breon here, and in this video I'm going to be showing all my beautiful spirits how I make my tofu. Okay, now a lot of you guys know already that I do not eat any type of meat, no pork, no chicken, no beef, nada, no type of sausage. I don't eat that. Okay, so what I have here is hard tofu. Okay, this is this one, hard tofu, and this is going to be my first time actually cooking the hard one. I usually just do the medium hard. Now this is halfway eaten already. It's halfway eaten. I cooked this Monday and I kind of meal prep some food with this, but I'm going to be finishing this half and adding some of this hard tofu with it. Okay, now I am a beast when it comes to cooking tofu. My very first time actually cooking it, I can pretty much say I did not know what I was doing, of course, because it was my first time, and it came out good, but what I mixed it with, I didn't like it. Okay, so after that first time, I was just, let me try something else, okay, to get the flavor going, because if you eat tofu, then you know that tofu is very bland. Okay, there's no taste, there's nothing there. Okay, it's soggy, it's very soggy, okay, kind of mushy, but after you actually cook it, or you prep it and you cook it, it's like it begins to look like chicken. Okay, so I do know how to make my tofu look and taste like chicken. Okay, I coat it with apricot or peach preserve, which brings the flavor almost like general TSO chicken. So that is what I'm showing you guys in this video, because a lot of people love the way that I make my tofu. I get all the time that my tofu looks so good and so delicious, people actually want a plate, but it being here already, I don't really like to give away my tofu. But if you guys do not know where to find tofu, if you really want to try it, I go to my local fiesta. I am in Houston, for you guys that do not know. I am in Texas. Okay, so but this can be found at like a Whole Foods or Trader Joe's or a Walmart or something like that. You can most definitely go and get this. This cost me $1.99, so $2 and of course some change, and that is it. Okay, you can actually eat like half of this, this container for about 2 or 3 days, and the other half is for like the rest of the week. This tofu can last you forever. Okay, like this can last me for a whole week and a half. So, but I am just coming to show you guys how I make my tofu. I'm really excited to do this video. I'm in the mood to actually cook because I have to meal prep again for the next following days. So that is why I'm doing this video, because now I'm kind of hungry. Okay, I done ran out of my meal prepping food. Okay, so it's time for me to make some more and container them up. Okay, so that is what I'm showing you guys in this video. We're gonna get on the move on. Okay, and by the way, this unit that I am wearing is from Forever21. A lot of people that I know always asking me where did I get this from, and I got this from Forever21. I think it was Forever21 or Fashion Nova. It's either one, but down below, okay, you guys will know where I got this from. Okay, but I believe it was from Forever21. Okay, they actually have another color. The pants are baggy. This is like a crop top jacket, I guess I should say. So I actually wear this like a lot. I don't wear these a lot because I don't really care for them, but whatever. I wear this all the time. So if you guys would love to purchase what I have on, the link will be down below, or where to find it, even if it's still there, because I don't know if it's still there or not. Okay, on their website. Okay, but without any further ado, we're going to get off into this video. Okay, keep watching. is how the tofu is looking, okay? Be sure to put this on medium. Guys, this is almost finished. I like for my tofu to be just a little darker than this, okay? So maybe I have my timer set for 2 more minutes. Maybe in about 2 to 3 more minutes it's going to be complete, okay? Then I'm going to be putting this on there. This peach preserve. You can use peach preserve, or you can use the apricot, or you can use orange. It doesn't matter, but this right here, it brings some good taste to your tofu, okay? So you guys, now that this is complete, okay, I know you see how it looks. I hope that the lighting isn't too dark. So we're going to be adding the peach preserve to it, okay? Grab you a spoon and just dip it. It's going to look like this. You don't need a lot, okay? You do not need a lot of it. I may have to actually add more, but this is what you can actually start off with. You don't need a lot. You do not need a lot of this at all, okay? The amount that I added, it's all over. It's all over. So you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, because I know I did while I was actually cooking this. I was like, oh my god, I hope they love this, because I loved it already. Like, oh my god, it looks so good. And this is so good, you guys. It is brown rice, black beans, and tofu, okay? Sprinkle some parsley on the rice and the black beans, okay? And voila. I'm just gonna give this a taste in front of y'all face, okay? Because yeah, your girl hungry. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That is so good. If you guys would love to see more cooking videos, short ones like this, because they won't be long, okay, please give this video a thumbs up, share, something like that. Follow me on my cooking page, which is down below. Follow me on my blogging page, which is down below as well. Listen to my podcast, because I do talk about food up on there, and you guys can get some good tips and things like that as well. So everything will be down below for you all, okay? I hope you all enjoyed this video. a lot of people just really been waiting on me to actually post some type of cooking video, and it's been like long overdue for about a year. So I think I found my niche, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can actually like go to that Instagram below and just go through my highlights and see all of the soul food that I cooked. I don't cook that anymore because I don't eat it, but if my family, if my family wants me to cook it for them, I will cook it because I am a cooker. I love to cook. I cook, okay? So, you know, yeah, but this is all that I eat, okay? This is like my everyday thing. Not every day if I don't have like a salad or something with veggies or potatoes or something new, you know. Wow, I think something just really came from my mouth. But but without any further ado, we're gonna end this video because I still have a lot to do today. I actually filmed a video earlier about the gastritis. I just did my makeup because I had to take some photos and things in some type of outfits, and yeah, I just wanted to do this because I was very hungry, like I said, and I was like, you know, people actually want to see this type of video with tofu, so let's get it out there, okay? While I'm in a happy mood, I'm in a happy mood today. I actually did 4 things today. I did a podcast episode. I did the first YouTube video. I did my pictures for my blog site, which will be dropping soon, okay? And you guys could also go on that blogging site when it drops. I will come back to this video and link everything down below once it drops, okay? And you guys could actually, you know, read about my tofu and, you know, why I actually went vegan and things like that. It's everywhere on every platform, okay? You guys can know everything about me and my lifestyle on all of these platforms, okay? So be sure to check down everything below, okay? Once my blogging site drops, you guys will know. You guys will know. So I'm out.